Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, I will show you the innovative and game-changing product, the best video capture card. So stay with us for all the essential details and insights you need. Let's get started. The Unishine UC3300H video capture card is a high-performance device built for content creators, streamers, and professionals who demand premium video quality and flexibility. With its dual HDMI input support and powerful data transfer capabilities, it's an ideal solution for multi-camera setups, live streaming, and professional video production. Product features: dual HDMI inputs allows simultaneous recording of two video channels in up to 4K at 30 FPS resolution. USB 3.1 Gen 2 interface provides ultra-fast data transfer for smooth dual 4K recording. Cross-platform compatibility works seamlessly with Windows, macOS, and Linux without needing drivers. Plug-and-play setup, simple connection via USB with no complex installation process. Software support, fully compatible with OBS, Mix, VJ applications, Zoom, VLC, and other major streaming and recording software. Audio integration includes a 3.5mm stereo line-in port supporting two-channel audio input for synchronized, high-quality sound. Pros: high-quality dual-channel capture, perfect for professional streaming or multi-angle recording setups. Excellent compatibility, works effortlessly with all major OS and popular streaming software. Fast and reliable performance, USB 3.1 Gen 2 ensures smooth data transfer without lag or frame drops. Driver-free installation, saves time and avoids setup complications. Professional audio support, ensures clear and synchronized sound for any recording scenario. Versatile use cases, suitable for gaming, presentations, video conferences, and live productions. Cons: no hardware encoding, relies on the computer's CPU/GPU for processing, which may impact performance on lower-end systems. Limited frame rate at 4K, capped at 30 FPS for 4K recording, which might not satisfy ultra-high motion users. No SDI input. Lacks professional broadcast-level SDI connectivity for advanced users. Slightly premium price, its dual-channel 4K capability may come at a higher cost compared to single-input models. Final thoughts: the Unishine UC3300H video capture card stands out as a powerful, flexible, and reliable choice for creators who want to elevate their content quality. Whether you're streaming live events, producing YouTube videos, or managing virtual meetings, this dual HDMI capture card delivers top-tier performance with ease of use. Its plug-and-play design, broad compatibility, and professional-grade results make it an excellent investment for both beginners and seasoned professionals. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe Tech Kingo.